China, a land of ancient wonders where the seeds of civilization were planted thousands of years ago. Long before the majestic Great Wall, the grand palaces of emperors, or the flourishing Silk Road, ancient peoples established some of the earliest complex societies in the fertile valleys of the Yellow and Yangtze rivers. Today, we explore the rise of these first Chinese civilizations, from humble beginnings to the formation of powerful dynasties. The Yellow River, often called the Mother River of China, was the cradle of ancient Chinese civilization. Around 5000 BCE, early settlers began cultivating the land, relying on the river's annual floods to nourish their crops. This region witnessed the birth of China's first major cultures, the Neolithic Yangshao and Longshan cultures. Yangshao culture, flourishing between 5000 and 3000 BCE, is famous for its beautiful painted pottery, simple mud brick houses, and early forms of agriculture. They laid the groundwork for a more settled way of life, relying on millet farming, animal domestication, and early forms of irrigation. By around 3000 BCE, the Longshan culture emerged, known for its advanced black pottery, walled settlements, and a more stratified society. Evidence of ritualistic burial practices hints at the beginnings of a more organized social structure, with emerging leaders and classes. As these early cultures developed, Chinese legends tell of the first true dynasty, the Xia dynasty, traditionally dated from 2070 to 1600 BCE. Ruled by King Yu, this dynasty is said to have been responsible for taming the devastating floods of the Yellow River, a feat that established the basis for China's first centralized state. Though some scholars debate whether the Xia was mythical or historical, archaeological discoveries at sites like Erlitou suggest that a large, complex society with organized urban planning and bronze working may have existed during this period. Could this be the Xia dynasty, where fact and legend intertwine? The Shang dynasty, which followed the Xia, is the first Chinese dynasty with firm archaeological evidence. Emerging around 1600 BCE, the Shang is known for its sophisticated bronze technology, elaborate rituals, and the earliest form of Chinese writing, inscribed on oracle bones used for divination. Shang society was hierarchical and highly religious. The king, considered a mediator between the gods and the people, conducted complex ceremonies to ensure prosperity. Bronze artifacts, such as ritual vessels and weapons, highlight the dynasty's mastery of metallurgy, a hallmark of early Chinese civilization. The Shang's capital, Anyang, reveals the grandeur of their rule, with evidence of royal tombs, palaces, and large-scale workshops. The Shang legacy is a testament to early Chinese statecraft, religion, and technology. In 1046 BCE, the Shang dynasty was overthrown by the Zhou, who introduced the concept of the Mandate of Heaven, the idea that a ruler's legitimacy came from divine authority but could be revoked if they failed to rule justly. The Zhou period is known for both its stability and its fragmentation. While the early Western Zhou established strong governance, the later Eastern Zhou era saw the rise of competing states and philosophical schools that would shape Chinese culture for millennia. Thinkers like Confucius and Laozi lived during this time, setting the stage for China's rich intellectual tradition. From the humble beginnings of the Yangshao and Longshan cultures to the splendor of the Shang and Zhou dynasties, the foundations of Chinese civilization were laid. These early societies not only shaped the cultural, political, and technological landscape of ancient China, but also left a lasting legacy that continues to influence the world today. These early civilizations were the first chapters of China's 5,000-year story, one of resilience, innovation, and profound cultural continuity. As we reflect on the past, we see how the achievements of these early people still resonate in the China of today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more history insights.